So here we have the Mini Paceman on a 14 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car you can see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well. You can increase this space further should you wish to by folding down either or both of the 50/50 split folding rear seats as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it, as I mentioned, from there. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. We have the rev counter, digital readout for the speedometer, and total miles for the car, which are 52,763. You can change the information displayed in that section by pressing a button on the end of the indicator stalk for various bits of trip computer and fuel economy info. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have stereo and phone controls, cruise control as well, and then over in the centre, the main speedometer firstly, fuel gauge, and then the stereo for the car. So press the mode button. We've got AM, FM radio, DAB, CD player, auxiliary input, and 2 USB inputs. You can pair up your phone with an onboard computer. You can configure things like the time when the clocks change, temperature, etc. all from here as well. You can make changes to your bass, treble, balance, and fader on top of all of that. Working our way down, we have the main CD player. We then have climate control, so you can adjust the fan speed, temperature, and the direction the air is being distributed in. The air conditioning is on at the minute, so that's off. Back on again. You can hit the auto button if you wish to. The car will then maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed and the direction of the air as well. Press the auto button again to go back to whatever setting you had that on previously. Beneath that, we have a heated driver's seat with 3 heat settings, and the same over here for the passenger side. We have front and rear fog lights. You can put the vehicle into sport mode. You can lock and unlock the car doors. You can turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is off when that light shows, and we can also turn off the traction control as well. We have 2 cup holders and a 12-volt charging socket, your 6-speed manual gearbox, and then auxiliary and USB inputs as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.